going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, hope everybody had a great day. If this your first time tuning in the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel. As well as go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and give your boy a like. And drop a comment below. And let me know what you guys use on your shoes. First things first, I want to talk about how I clean my shoes. I got asked by somebody in my DM on Instagram, how do I keep my shoes so clean? So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full detail on how I keep my shoes clean. Every week when I do that weekly sneaker rotation episode for you guys, either I clean the shoes before, depending on how dirty some of them are, or I clean them after. It just depends on how the shoe looks. So I have to have a toothbrush for those deep crevices. Like, just when you're trying to get deep into the shoe and you're trying to scrub, you know what I'm saying? I got a pair of shoes right here, red ones. If you're trying to get right up inside them crevices and loosen up some of that dirt, you know what I'm saying? You got to have a nice soft bristle toothbrush. Old school, baby, with a cup. And you just put a little water in there. But that's not the magic maker that makes all the magic happen to keep the shoe clean, y'all. What I'm about to show you is what keeps the shoes clean. Let's get into it. This is what I use on my shoes, y'all. Sneaker Shield Magic Wipes, y'all. So after I loosen it up a little bit with a toothbrush, man, this is the bang, bro. This is what I use on the shoes. And you don't even have to just use it on the shoes. As you see, it says powerful cleaning wipes for shoes, boots, and hats. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have used this on a black hat. I had a smidge or something on a black hat. I was like, man, how am I gonna clean this? How am I gonna get this junk? You know what I'm saying? I put water on it, it kept coming back. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is when you got a little smidget on a hat or something. So use this, man. I wipe that thing down. Psh, vanished. Vamoosh. Like magic. I mean, the Sneaker Shield wipes are very dope. So that's why I rock with them to keep the shoes clean, y'all. So while I'm sharing that with y'all to show you guys how I keep my shoes clean, I might as well go ahead and give y'all the whole recipe on how I keep my shoes crease free. Now, there was a time, and I have plenty of shoes inside the collection that I've rocked before I found out about Sneaker Shields. And my boy B-Boy Lost Spin, if y'all haven't yet, follow him on Instagram. I'm going to throw him up right here for you guys. That's big bro right there. He put me on proper game, and I would say it's been about a year now. He put me on Sneaker Shields, man, and ever since then, I've been rocking the Sneaker Shields, especially in my retro ones, y'all, because y'all know I love retro ones, man. So I rock the Sneaker Shields in them to keep them crisp, crease free, and all that good stuff. And I actually got a pair of shoes that I can show you for a good comparison on how I wore shoes with Sneaker Shields and how I wore them without. And y'all know it don't just have to be retro ones, y'all. When I say you can rock these Sneaker Shields with anything and everything, you can rock them with anything and everything. You know what I'm saying? You can wear it with your forces. The Sneaker Shields, man, they protect you from getting that crease right there. If you look right there, you can see I got that crazy crease indent in these breads. Now, I rock these faithfully, man. I was throwing these on when these came out. I was just throwing them on. I didn't start wearing Sneaker Shields till about a year ago, and I didn't start using the wipes until about a year ago. And that's what I've been using now ever since then on all my shoes. So, yeah, put it, as you see right here, you see I got that crazy crease, and I'm going to pop open. I'm going to show you a good shoe to compare this to, because I know if y'all own the gold toes or the top 3 Complex Con or either the Chicago, the black and golds, baby blue UNC colorway, patent leather joints that dropped back in like 2003, 2004. I have worn these shoes, y'all. And if you look, there's like, man, you can't even tell that I had the shoe on. Like, for real. And if y'all haven't yet, follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid, and I'll throw that up right here for you all. And you guys can see the day that I undead stocked these and I rocked them. I've actually worn these more than one time, and it's crazy to me because the Sneaker Shields have protected it to where there's no crease whatsoever in these shoes. Now, another shoe that you can wear Sneaker Shields with would be, when looking at patent leather, would be these. I wish I had put the Sneaker Shields in these and worn them with these, but I didn't. I can also show you how Sneaker Shields can bring your shoe back to life as well, y'all. So right here, I got my sneaker shields, you know what I'm saying, the force protector. And I'm gonna just bust open these so you guys can see. Now with the sneaker shields, I'll go ahead and show you how I rock mine, yo. So I just throw my joints in here now. Whenever I wear these joints, man, and watch this, you're gonna be like, dang, Wiz. Dang, them joints is crease free, guys. You know what I'm saying? There's no crease right there. That joint is flush going across, and it's just keeping the shoe clean, y'all. Boom. Now, this is a pair that I have right here with no sneaker shield. And you can see it has that dip right there, that natural dip from me rocking the shoe. And right here you can see sneaker shield, no sneaker shield, sneaker shield, no sneaker shield. So y'all, that's pretty much what I got to tell y'all about how I keep my shoes crispy, clean, fresh, crease free as I'm rocking with the sneaker shields, y'all. So y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all use to keep y'all shoes fresh. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's just soap, water, you know what I'm saying? I remember back in the day, I used to use the dish detergent and stuff to keep my shit fresh. We came up from them days, y'all. I don't do that no more. So, yeah, man. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Appreciate all the subscribers. I hope you all share, like, and watch the videos. Like always, we on the road to 750 subscribers, y'all. We almost there. We trying to hit that by May 18th, y'all. May 18th. So go ahead, y'all. Let me know in this comment section what y'all rocking with. And y'all already know your boy gonna see y'all tomorrow. Videos always trying to drop them things daily. So see y'all tomorrow, y'all. Let's get it.